Peace be with you. This is Bishop Verka Ermari of the Diocese of Dipolog and the Chairman of the CBCP Episcopal Commission on the Laity. As we celebrate the Laity Week 2024 and embracing the theme, Laity United in Prayer as Pilgrims of Hope, we are reminded of the vital role of the laities in the mission and life of the Church. As laity, you are called to be active participants in the mission of the Church within your family and in the community. This mission flows from our baptism and empowered by prayers. Our prayers are powerful, for our prayers unite us not only with each other, but with the entire communion of saints. But sadly, we no longer find strength in prayer as a family. So let us bring back prayer in our families. In a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, our prayers become beacons of hope, illuminating the path for those who seek guidance, comfort, and strength. As pilgrims constantly moving towards faith and hope, we are reminded that we are not alone. We are not alone. In this journey, I pray that each step we take becomes a commitment to live out the gospel and the demands of being disciples of Jesus in our daily lives, sharing our joys, sorrows, and aspirations. Wishing you all a blessed Laity Week by fostering an environment of love, unity, and service to those in need and care for our common home. Daghang salamat. God bless us all.